The object pronoun. The use of object pronouns. Whenever we don't want to repeat a noun or a noun phrase, we use pronouns. There are two types of pronouns, the subject pronouns and the object pronouns. We use me to replace I, you stays the same, him replaces he, and so on. Object pronouns are used in most situations when the pronoun is not the subject of the verb. For example, Mom kissed her goodbye. The subject of the verb is mom, not her. Her is the object pronoun. Object pronouns refer to the person, animal, or thing that receives the action of the verb. For example, the teacher gave them homework. Them refers to the students that were given homework. Object pronouns are used after a preposition, at, for, with, to, etc. For example, throw the ball at him. I am going with them to the store. Everybody danced with her in class. Thank you.